My city. My city isn't a bad city, however, it's nothing to get too excited about either. Because it's a quiet city with very little crime, lots of people move here to start families. There are plenty of school and several parks. There are also quite a number of jobs. People work in both offices and factories. Having grown up here, I know it well. I'm ready to move to another place. I want to see other cities and other countries. I think it's important to learn new things and explore other cultures. I like to spend time with people who have ideas that are different from my ideas. It helped me see things in a new way. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Ginheo School.